Hey guys, so today I wanted to kind of show you guys how to create your own handprint art that can be easily done through canva.com, and you can just create your own design, send it to a local print shop, or if you have a laser printer at home, you can definitely print it at home and do fun little prank projects with your kids or teachers. You can definitely do these as a classroom activity with your students. If you're not interested in that at all, or if you feel like you just don't have the time, you can always go on Etsy. There's so many creators that are out there creating wonderful design that are easily available for download. This is not a sponsor video, but I just really want to share that with you. But anyway, let's get straight into this video. So I am gonna just create a very simple handprint art, and it's gonna just say I love you. Yeah. Let's just make it really simple. I love, I like to capitalize these, and you. Okay. We are gonna just choose any fonts of your choice. I am using Blueberry, but basically anything that does not have these little crown asterisks next to it, you can definitely use for free with a free Canva account. So I am just gonna use this one. So I'm gonna just use this one right here. I'm just gonna make it bigger. And I don't need this one that big. Okay. And essentially, I want my kids to put their handprints in replacement of the O. So I am just gonna make this a little bit bigger. Something like this. Okay. You can literally stop here if that's what you prefer. If you want to just keep it very simple, you can just stop here, print it out as a PDF send it to your local print shop, and then get some paint and just have your kids put their handprint or footprint right here. But I want to just add a little bit more decoration just for fun. So we're gonna go into elements, and I'm gonna add some hearts. Yes. Maybe we can even add blue hearts because you don't really see that often. I feel like blue hearts really don't get used. So I'm gonna even maybe I can even add here. And I'm just placing them wherever I think it's gonna be okay. There's really no specific spots or anything like that. Maybe even like this. What about if we add even cats? I don't know if you guys like cats. Ooh, or we can even add, hmm, we can even add even this guy. I think this guy would look super cute here, right? Maybe, maybe scooch this up, move this guy up, maybe here, something here like this. Yeah, I think that's even cute. Oh my gosh, you can even do this with like your pets, I think. I just realized. I mean, like you can literally, I'm just thinking of ideas. You can even say meow instead of the O, right? Oh my God, how cute would that be too? Like you just, I meow you. Getting so lame. Something, I don't have cats. I have dogs, and I don't know, my brother actually has a cat, and I think this would be like super cute. Make this smaller to get everything kind of fitted better, like this. Oops, maybe like 180. Yeah, like this, and you can put little paw prints here. I don't know. It's an idea. So I'm just gonna change this back to I love you, like this. I probably have to make this bigger. Something, yeah. Something like this, and then even the cat can be like a little bit smaller, I think. I like to make sure they're kind of centered. And this is how I check if they're centered in a way, because the last thing I want is this works, right? I will go to share, I will download it, I will download as a PDF print. Um, I see that I usually print it as best for professional printing, if you have a pro account, but you can definitely print it as RGB. I think it still comes out in great quality. You can download it. Once you download it, you can see that it comes out in that PDF form. Anyway, that just wraps up this video. I mean, you can get so creative with so many different ways. I mean, there are just so many different designs that you can utilize. I hope this video gets your creativity kind of going. And if you end up trying this project, I would love to hear about it in the comments down below. But that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.